How to cancel Western Union transfer online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can cancel Western Union transfer online. So first of all, just open your Western Union account and log into your account, and here on the home screen of your Western Union account, just click on the three dot option, and under the drop down menu you can see these options available to you like your history, my rewards, refer to a friend, my receivers and all of that. Just click on history, and here on this page you will see the list of transfer that you have done from your bank to your Western Union account. Since my account is brand new, I don't have any transaction right here on this page. On this particular page you will see the transfer that you have made, and you just have to simply click on the transfer that you want to cancel. So in order to cancel your transfer, you have to make sure that the transaction is still pending. Then only you will be able to cancel that particular transaction and click on cancel. So this is how you will be able to cancel your Western Union transfer. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.